Hey guys, 10K Yuj Tarot is about to extend on horoscopes, a different way that no one has ever seen before. But to know a horoscope is to understand the horoscope itself. And just because, let's take for an example, someone says you are a Gemini. Well, you have the traits of a Gemini, but when you hang out with another sign and they have better traits than you, then you learn from the traits of another horoscope inside of life. So instead of looking at the drama that your horoscope causes, or the watch out and the therefore, that can be true and it is right. But let's get to a point where I don't dread looking at my horoscope. It's the scope of you. So the card is endless waterfalls. So for all signs today, join in this endless waterfall of love. And we're going to walk you through a being of you, of the horoscopes, in a different way. And each reading is never the same, because you have experiences in life that you do and some other people don't do. So to timestamp your horoscope is to have a broad spectrum of everything all into one. Journey with us and put your hands in prayer pose and put them on your chest and say that you vow to be a leader in life today. Journey with us.